my hands on the wheel. If I can't find the words to set things right, I just scoot over and I let my baby drive. She likes big boy toys, motors and lights, knobs and